Hey everybody, Dr. Justin here with a brand new case study. This is Lanky Franky. Okay, so Lanky Franky, his car accident was August 8th, 2016, about 21 months ago. He's complaining about 8 out of 10 upper back pain since the accident. Also, he's actually having trouble sleeping around 4 out of 7 nights a week. He is waking up in pain. He can't sleep constantly through the night. Lastly, his range of motion to one side is only around 5 degrees. So after his first TrapEAZE technique treatment, we have his pain down to a 3 or a 4 out of 10. He hasn't been waking up whatsoever for the first time since his car accident. And lastly, we were able to improve his range of motion from around 5 degrees up to about 60 degrees. So keep on watching for many more Lanky Franky videos. Have a great day, everybody.